Hi, it's Susie Rhodes with Past Masters. In this week's video, I'm going to talk about health insurance and rights of renewability. For the purposes of the insurance exam, I want you to think of your health insurance policy as being good for a period of 1 year. So we have January 1st to December 31st. And when we're talking about something that happens during the year, we're talking about cancellation. And then here we're talking about renewal. So the test is going to want you to feel comfortable with the very best type of policy that you could purchase would be a policy that is non-cancelable. A non-cancelable policy cannot be canceled when? During the year, plus one that is guaranteed renewable. A guaranteed renewable policy must be renewed. Now, not forever, usually up to 65, because at 65 you become eligible for Medicare. So the policy is going to get more expensive every year because you're older every year. So based on your class, it gets more expensive. So this would be the best kind of policy that you could have. But there's other types of policies that are out there. So if a policy can be canceled, then it is what kind of a policy do you think? It is a cancelable policy. A cancelable policy can be canceled at any time. If the cancellation is done by the insurer, then the insured is owed an unearned premium refund that is a pro rata refund. If the insured cancels the policy, then they will receive a short rate refund. So which is better, non-cancelable or cancelable? Well, obviously, non-cancelable wins there. Cancelability happens during the year. The other types of renewability that there could be for health insurance, there are conditionally renewable policies, and there are optionally renewable policies. An optionally renewable policy is the worst when we're talking about renewability. It is the worst for the insured. It is renewable at the option of the insurer. So it's up to the insurer if it is renewed. A conditionally renewable policy must be renewed if the conditions are met. So rights of renewability have to do with at the policy anniversary date, and then is it cancelable or non-cancelable? That has to do with during the policy year. That's it for this week's short video on health insurance rights of renewability. If you'd like to check out Past Masters course offerings, there is a link in this video's description. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn those notifications on. I will see you in another video soon. Happy studies. Study, 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 pass.